There was a time when people believed Linux desktops were only made for programmers, hackers, and computer experts who spent all day typing commands into a terminal window. For years, Linux carried a reputation that it was difficult, ugly, outdated, and far behind the polished experience of Windows and macOS. But in 2026, that idea is completely outdated. Modern Linux distributions have evolved into some of the most visually stunning operating systems ever created. In fact, some Linux desktops now look so refined, futuristic, and elegant that many users who switch from Windows 11 or macOS instantly feel like they've entered the future of computing. The combination of beautiful interface design, deep customization, smooth animations, lightweight performance, and total freedom has allowed Linux distributions to compete directly with the biggest operating systems on Earth. And today, we are talking about 4 Linux distros that honestly look better than Windows 11 and macOS combined. The first distro on this list is KDE Neon, and if you've never experienced the KDE Plasma desktop before, prepare to be shocked by what modern Linux can look like. KDE Neon is based on Ubuntu, but it focuses entirely on delivering the latest and most polished version of the KDE Plasma desktop environment. The moment you boot into KDE Neon, you immediately notice how clean, modern, and futuristic everything feels. The desktop has a smooth elegance that combines the best parts of Windows, macOS, and something entirely unique at the same time. The taskbar looks sleek and customizable, the animations feel fluid, and the overall design language feels premium in a way that even expensive operating systems sometimes fail to achieve. What makes KDE Neon special is the incredible flexibility of Plasma itself. Unlike Windows 11, where Microsoft decides how your desktop should look and behave, KDE Plasma gives users complete control over nearly every visual detail imaginable. You can move panels anywhere on the screen, create transparent effects, add blur animations, install advanced themes, customize window buttons, modify icons, and transform the entire operating system into something that feels completely personal. Some users create setups that resemble macOS with a center dock and global menu, while others design futuristic cyberpunk desktops that look like science fiction movies. And the crazy part is that KDE Neon still remains lightweight and fast, even after heavy customization. Performance is another area where KDE Neon embarrasses many commercial operating systems. Windows 11 often consumes huge amounts of RAM in the background, loads unnecessary services, and constantly pushes ads, telemetry, and unwanted features. KDE Neon feels dramatically lighter and more responsive. Applications open quickly, desktop effects remain smooth even on modest hardware, and the overall experience feels snappy in a way that reminds people what computers used to feel like before operating systems became bloated. Many users install KDE Neon on older laptops and suddenly feel like they upgraded their hardware. The visual effects are another reason why KDE Neon stands out. The desktop blur effects look incredibly refined. Virtual desktops glide smoothly across the screen, and window animations feel polished without becoming distracting. KDE Plasma also supports high refresh rate displays beautifully, making the desktop feel incredibly fluid on modern monitors. Compared to the rigid appearance of Windows 11 or the lockdown environment of macOS, KDE Neon feels alive and endlessly creative. Then there's the ecosystem of themes and widgets. KDE users have built thousands of community-made desktop themes, icon packs, widgets, cursors, and layouts. Within minutes, a user can completely redesign the entire interface without installing complicated software. Some themes look more modern than anything Microsoft or Apple currently offers. Others mimic futuristic operating systems from movies and games. This freedom creates an emotional connection between the user and the desktop, because the system truly becomes your own creation. Another reason people fall in love with KDE Neon is the balance between beauty and usability. Some operating systems focus too much on appearance while sacrificing productivity, but Plasma manages to combine elegance with practical workflow features. The file manager Dolphin is powerful yet simple to use. The settings menu is extremely detailed without feeling confusing. Multitasking feels smooth and natural. Power users can automate workflows, while casual users can simply enjoy a beautiful desktop without touching advanced settings. For creators, gamers, students, and developers, KDE Neon delivers an experience that feels modern, premium, and deeply customizable. It proves that Linux can not only compete with Windows and macOS visually, but in many ways surpass them completely. The second distro that deserves massive attention is Garuda Linux. If KDE Neon feels elegant and professional, Garuda Linux feels like the future exploded onto your monitor. This distro is one of the most visually dramatic Linux operating systems ever created. Built on Arch Linux, Garuda combines bleeding-edge software with an aggressively modern design philosophy that instantly grabs attention. The first time many people see Garuda Linux, they genuinely can't believe it's a free operating system. Garuda's Dragonized Edition is the version that usually leaves people speechless. The desktop uses deep neon colors, glowing effects, transparent panels, blur effects, vibrant icons, animated visuals, and a cyberpunk-inspired aesthetic that feels unlike anything available on Windows or macOS. While Apple focuses on minimalism and Microsoft pushes corporate design language, Garuda embraces creativity and personality without apology. Gaming is another area where Garuda Linux shines. The distro comes optimized for gaming right out of the box, making it extremely popular among Linux gamers. Many users say games run smoother on Garuda compared to Windows because the operating system avoids unnecessary background processes and prioritizes performance. Combined with Steam Proton compatibility improving every year, Garuda has become one of the most attractive platforms for gamers who want both aesthetics and power. The visual smoothness of Garuda is honestly difficult to describe until you experience it personally. Every animation feels intentional. Menus slide elegantly across the screen. Window transparency blends beautifully with wallpapers. RGB-inspired themes create a futuristic atmosphere that turns the desktop into a piece of digital art. On ultra-wide monitors and modern setups, Garuda can look absolutely breathtaking. One of the biggest strengths of Garuda Linux is how it embraces community creativity. The distro developers clearly understand that modern users want personality in their operating systems. Instead of creating a sterile environment, Garuda encourages users to experiment with themes, layouts, effects, and workflows. The result is a desktop experience that feels exciting every time you log in. Another surprising aspect is how approachable Garuda has become, despite its Arch Linux foundation. Traditionally, Arch-based systems were considered difficult for beginners. But Garuda simplifies much of the installation and configuration process. Users get access to powerful graphical tools, gaming optimizations, driver management, utilities, and software installation options without needing deep Linux knowledge. For content creators and YouTubers, Garuda Linux has become especially popular because it looks incredible on camera. A beautiful desktop environment naturally grabs viewers' attention. And Garuda's aesthetic often sparks curiosity among audiences who have never considered Linux before. It's one of those operating systems that can completely change someone's perception of what Linux looks like. The third distro on this list is Zorin OS, and this is the operating system that often convinces ordinary Windows and macOS users to finally switch to Linux. While some Linux distros focus heavily on customization or futuristic aesthetics, Zorin OS focuses on delivering a polished, premium, and familiar user experience that feels instantly comfortable. And the visual quality of Zorin OS is shockingly good. The developers behind Zorin clearly understand design. Every part of the operating system feels cohesive, refined, and carefully crafted. The desktop animations are smooth, the typography looks elegant, the icons feel modern, and the overall visual consistency rivals commercial operating systems. Many people who try Zorin for the first time genuinely think it looks more premium than Windows 11. One of Zorin's greatest strengths is how adaptable it is. Users can switch desktop layouts to resemble Windows, macOS, or unique Linux-inspired designs. This flexibility makes transitions easier for people leaving other operating systems. Someone coming from Windows 11 can immediately feel comfortable with the familiar taskbar layout, while Mac users can switch to a dock-centered interface that feels closer to their previous workflow. Unlike Windows 11, Zorin OS avoids clutter and distractions. There are no forced advertisements, no random app promotions, and no constant pressure to use online services. The desktop feels calm, focused, and professional. This simplicity creates a more relaxing computing experience where users can focus on creativity and productivity instead of fighting the operating system. Another reason Zorin stands out visually is its use of spacing, transparency, and subtle animations. Modern interface design is not just about flashy effects. Sometimes elegance comes from restraint and balance, and Zorin understands this perfectly. The operating system feels modern without trying too hard. Everything flows naturally. Zorin OS also performs beautifully on both new and old hardware. Many users install it on aging laptops and instantly notice smoother performance compared to Windows. Boot times improve, battery life often increases, and the system feels responsive even with limited resources. This combination of visual beauty and efficiency makes Zorin extremely appealing. Software integration is another area where Zorin excels. Applications blend naturally with the desktop environment, creating a consistent visual identity. Whether you are browsing the web, editing documents, watching videos, or creating content, the overall experience feels polished and unified. The emotional experience of using Zorin OS is surprisingly important. Some operating systems feel cold and corporate, but Zorin feels welcoming and thoughtfully designed. The developers clearly care about user experience and visual quality. It's one of the few Linux distros that successfully combines simplicity, elegance, and accessibility without sacrificing functionality. For students, office users, creators, and everyday computer users, Zorin OS represents one of the best-looking and most approachable Linux experiences available today. It proves that Linux doesn't need to look complicated or intimidating. Instead, it can feel premium, beautiful, and effortless. The fourth and final distro on this list is Deepin Linux, and this operating system might have the most beautiful desktop environment in the entire Linux world. Deepin focuses heavily on visual design, smooth user experience, and elegant aesthetics. From the moment the desktop appears, it becomes obvious that Deepin's developers are obsessed with presentation in detail. The Deepin desktop environment, often called DDE, looks unlike traditional Linux desktops. It combines elements of macOS elegance with modern minimalism and futuristic interface design. The dock looks incredibly polished. The control center slides beautifully from the side of the screen. And the overall animation quality feels surprisingly premium. One of the reasons Deepin attracts so much attention online is because it simply looks expensive. Many people who see screenshots of Deepin assume it's some kind of next-generation commercial operating system. The glossy icons, elegant transparency effects, rounded corners, and smooth transitions create a desktop experience that feels luxurious. The attention to detail inside Deepin is remarkable. Window animations feel natural and fluid. System sounds are soft and refined. Menus appear with subtle elegance. Even simple tasks like adjusting settings or opening applications feel visually satisfying. This level of polish is rare, even among commercial operating systems. Deepin also includes a collection of custom-built applications designed specifically for the desktop environment. These apps follow the same visual language, creating a unified experience across the system. The file manager, music player, app store, and control center all feel consistent and beautifully designed. One of Deepin's biggest advantages is how beginner-friendly it feels. Users who are unfamiliar with Linux can navigate the interface easily because the design is intuitive and clean. Unlike some Linux distributions that overwhelm users with complexity, Deepin focuses on making the desktop approachable and enjoyable. The multitasking experience in Deepin is another standout feature. Workspace transitions feel smooth, gesture support works elegantly on supported hardware, and the desktop encourages efficient workflow management. Combined with attractive visual effects, the operating system creates an immersive computing experience. Another major strength is hardware efficiency. Despite its beautiful interface, Deepin often runs surprisingly well on mid-range systems. The developers have worked hard to balance aesthetics with optimization, ensuring the operating system remains responsive and practical for daily use. Customization options also allow users to personalize the experience further. Themes, transparency levels, icon styles, and layouts can all be adjusted to fit personal taste. Some users create highly minimal setups, while others embrace colorful, futuristic themes. For people who believe Linux still looks outdated or ugly, Deepin completely destroys that stereotype. It demonstrates how open-source software can achieve extraordinary levels of visual sophistication. What's fascinating about all four of these Linux distros is that they represent different philosophies of beauty and design. KDE Neon focuses on flexibility and elegant customization. Garuda Linux embraces futuristic cyberpunk energy and visual drama. Zorin OS delivers refined simplicity and professional polish. Deepin creates luxurious elegance with obsessive attention to detail. Yet all of them share one important truth. Linux is no longer the ugly alternative operating system people used to mock years ago. In many ways, Linux desktops are now advancing faster than Windows and macOS because they are driven by passionate communities rather than giant corporations focused primarily on profit and ecosystem control. Open-source developers experiment constantly with new interface ideas, animations, workflows, and visual designs. Users can customize almost every aspect of the experience without restrictions. Another reason Linux desktops feel more exciting today is because they respect user freedom. Windows 11 increasingly pushes online accounts, advertisements, subscriptions, and AI integrations that many users never asked for. macOS offers elegance but remains locked tightly inside Apple's ecosystem. Linux distributions give users control over their machines. This freedom creates creativity. When users can modify, redesign, and personalize their systems endlessly, operating systems become expressions of personality rather than standardized corporate products. That's one reason Linux desktops often feel more emotionally engaging. Performance also plays a huge role in why these distros feel better. Beautiful visuals mean little if the system feels sluggish. Linux distributions often combine stunning interfaces with lightweight efficiency, creating desktops that feel responsive and enjoyable even on modest hardware. Gaming support has improved dramatically as well. Thanks to Proton, Vulkan, Mesa drivers, and constant Linux gaming development, many users no longer feel trapped on Windows. Combined with visually beautiful desktop environments, Linux becomes a realistic full-time operating system for gamers and creators alike. The rise of Wayland is also pushing Linux visuals forward. Modern Wayland compositors allow smoother animations, improved scaling, better touchscreen support, and enhanced graphical performance. As Wayland adoption continues growing, Linux desktops will likely become even more visually advanced. Another important factor is community passion. Linux communities genuinely care about design, innovation, and user experience. Developers are often users themselves, meaning improvements are driven by real passion rather than corporate strategy meetings. This creates operating systems that feel crafted with love. What surprises many newcomers is how easy Linux has become. Installing these distros today is often simpler than installing Windows manually. Hardware compatibility has improved enormously. Software availability is better than ever. Flatpak, API Midge, and modern package managers make application installation incredibly convenient. Content creators are also increasingly discovering Linux. Video editors, streamers, programmers, writers, and designers appreciate the stability, customization, and performance advantages. Beautiful desktops make the creative environment feel inspiring. And perhaps the most important point of all is this: beauty is no longer exclusive to expensive ecosystems. For years, Apple marketed aesthetics as something premium and exclusive. Microsoft attempted to modernize Windows with sleek visuals and rounded corners. But Linux communities proved that open-source software can achieve extraordinary levels of design quality while remaining free and accessible. These 4 Linux distros represent more than just attractive operating systems. They represent a shift in how people think about computing itself. Instead of being locked into corporate ecosystems, users can now experience operating systems built around freedom, creativity, customization, and community-driven innovation. KDE Neon shows the power of flexibility and elegance. Garuda Linux demonstrates how bold and futuristic Linux can become. Zorin OS proves that simplicity and polish can rival the world's biggest operating systems. Deepin delivers luxury-level aesthetics that challenge everything people assumed about Linux. And the most exciting part is that this is only the beginning. Linux desktops continue evolving rapidly every year. New visual technologies, improved hardware support, better gaming compatibility, AI integrations, advanced compositors, and community innovations are constantly pushing the ecosystem forward. For many people, switching to Linux is no longer just about privacy, performance, or ideology. It's about experiencing a desktop that feels beautiful, personal, exciting, and truly modern. These operating systems are proving that the future of desktop computing might not belong solely to Microsoft or Apple anymore. So if you still think Linux looks outdated, complicated, or ugly, it may be time to rethink everything. Because these 4 Linux distros are not just competing with Windows 11 and macOS anymore. In many ways, they are surpassing them. And once you experience the freedom and beauty of modern Linux desktops, going back can feel surprisingly difficult.